This is going to be another Fly Right Boy exclusive.
Rudder, it's going to need it right off the bat. He's already put his rudder over. Right rudder. Right rudder, right rudder, right rudder, right rudder, right rudder. There you go. Right, it is a right rudder. I got one. You need a right rudder. I wasn't working on the speed.
All right, up in the air, the beautiful Race P51. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's been a long day. That's in the Strega version, correct? It is a beautiful cold 3-cylinder engine. Listen to that hot rod as it flies by. What a beautiful sounding engine that's in that thing. That's a German-made cold 3-cylinder. Beautiful airplane.
Right here on the 405. 13. Yeah. 13 straight years. Pitching on it. Something's wrong with it. Están buchados. Sí, todas las agujas están de parto. No le el mío me tardé 5 horas. You have to play with it. Three different. Three of the same time. No, it's just because the last year you were gonna make it, but
Just a quick announcement, everything is lined up, taken care of. When James Hillen is finished with his flight, we're going to shut down and do the awards and raffle after this flight. guys are telling James what's over there to the north, how bad that's looking. So it is close, fellas. Just don't want you to get caught, because I think we're fixing to get hammered pretty hard, according to the radar. Also, I believe we went through all the pilot prizes, the numbers and stuff. There are a few items left up here. If you guys would like to come up, if you didn't receive a pilot prize, and get you a pilot prize off the table, be nice, no arm wrestling, no choking the other pilot out or something. Just be nice and kind of distribute those between y'all if you would. There's a few items left up there. There's some bumper field.
Complicated.
If you want to start gathering down here underneath the overhang here, folks, we'll try to get this taken care of as quickly as we can. I feel like this is going to be fantastic. Yes, sir. Jim Helen breathes a sigh of relief. That boy, James. Good job. All right. Great job,
Un pañal. Un pañal.
Dame uno.
Un pañal.
Tres personas para pick it up. Yo le preguntaba por qué le pusieron los flaps. Bregó bien. Muy alto. Eso es lo que pasó.
¿Está herido? ¿Está herido?
No,
¿No?
estoy herido. El avión ni es mío.
Bien bajado. Ya se vino el ventarrón. Vamos a cuidar los aviones. Déjame, voy a amarrar el mío.
I've got all my pilots up here. We're going to give away the awards. Bob's going to hand them to you as you come up. Come on up. We want these pilots applauded and cheered on for all their hard work bringing their aircraft down here today. What a great show. Did you guys all have a good time? What a crazy week out here, right? Crazy. I tried the first time. We're going to get after this and get this done, folks. We're going to start off with the best bikers that were out here this weekend. Coming in at third place. I know this guy. He's a fellow by the name of Kevin Peavy. Come on, Kevin, come up here and get you an award, Kevin, for third place in Best Electric. Included with that is a kiss from mom.
Well, as you can see, with the great pilot, he got the airplane down nice and safe. It was really gusty, and man, that was a tight landing. Well, guys, if you like this, please hit the subscribe button, like, and if you leave comments, please, I do appreciate it. And as always, we're the Fly Right Boys. We fly right, and we go home. And I shall see y'all on the flight line. God bless, and see you later.